Salabi, Seiko and Amin, or should I say, good evening to each and everyone. My name is Alex Manzano, and I'm proud to represent Barangay Tubuan. At ako'y nag-iiwan ng isang katagang kung ang taong nagpapakataas ang siyang ibinababa. Ang taong nagpapakababa ang siyang itinataas. My name is Alex Manzano once again, and I'm proud to represent Barangay Tubuan. Thank you.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen.
Tonight is the celebration of beauty, diversity, and self-identity. And this is the 11th testament that we, LGBT, is part of what we call society. Naimbag, naragsak, kun napintas tayo amin apo, or should I say, masantos, yalabi, inatnaro, Labrador. I am Jovan Christian Costales Palamos, and I am 22. And I do believe that being true to yourself is the best thing that you can give to yourself. Natan yalabi, mantila kaya kasabihan. Lusay itnol at batat-batak, itnol yapuguman. Nusay itnol at ambala nga, itnol maalat man. Nusay itnol at amputi, nanlapot poultry iman. Nusay itnol at kulay brown, ikaw green-minded, native iman. And I am proud to be representing my very own humble barangay. Barangay San Sanananan San Gonzalo. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much to our candidate number 2.
Ang hindi pa palakpak, masusunugan ng bahay. Ang hindi hihiyaw, mamamatay. Joke lang po yan. Tonight is the celebrating of diversity. I am Princess Gian Uson, representing proud Barangay Bungalon. At ako po ay nag-iwan ng isang kasabihang ang hindi limingon sa pinanggalingan, tiyak, may stiff neck. Once again, Princess Gian Uson. Ama. Thank you. A man of today is a woman of tomorrow. My name is Lexi Samson Nabwa, the long-lost daughter of Councilor Daisy Nabwa. Inay! Ichiban Ichiwi, Ichiban Bachin Kokono. In English, I'm the sexiest, prettiest, and the virgin of them all. Once again, Lexi Samson, proudly representing Barangay Poblacion. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Once again, is your
Na-miss niyo ba ako? Hindi ko marinig. Na-miss niyo ba ako? By the way, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Beatrice Emmanuel Estrada Sison, representing the Barangay Tubuan. And I do believe it is saying that hindi mo na kailangan ng shabu, marijuana, at ano pang droga. Dahil kung sa ganda ko pa lang, books, sabog ka na, darling.
thank you very much. Candidate number 5, costume.
Good evening, Municipality of Labrador. Wala bang hiyawan dyan? Wala bang palakpakan dyan? Are we talking about cultural and festival costume? Yes, I'm right, because this is a part of our culture. Once again, this is Julia Pantaleon, proudly representing Barangay Magsaysay!
Thank you very much to Alec.
Kung wala akong naririnig na palakpakan. Salamat po. Ladies, gentlemen, and in between, good evening. Once again, this is Mako Quintas na nag-iiwan at nagsasabing, hindi man ako sing ganda nila, sing bata nila,
wala akong payat at hubog na pangangatawan. Pero sa patimpalak na ito, may tsabing trans na tatata. Once again, Mako Quintas, proud to represent Tubuan!
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, is your candidate number 7. Candidate number 8.
Hooray! Saan ka punta? Broom, broom? Tama, mga uto-uto. Many has been part of history, but only you can bend history itself. Hello, hi, mabuhay. I always believe, ladies and gentlemen, being nice to people you hate is not being plastic. It's called respect and making yourself educated. Wala ho bang palakpakan dyan? Wala ho bang hiyawa dyan? Mayor, wala ho bang pagkain dyan? Joke lamang po. My name is NK Vino, 21, proud to represent Barangay Luyagko, Barangay Bungalon, na nagsasabing, if you have it, show it, nang mamatay sila sa inggit. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much. Once again, is your candidate number 8. Bye.
Mga bakla, luma na yon. Ito ang bago. Eh! Ulitin ko. Sabay-sabay tayo. Ito ang bago. Eh! Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Standing in front of you is Maricar Palma, a 24 young starter and proudly representing our own barangay, Barangay Dulig, na nag-iiwan ng katagang, always choose
person who do have respect, because respect is more than love. And I thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, sit back and relax, enjoy the show. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Again, she is your candidate number 9. And for
shimmering like the Philippine seas, I emerge as a majestic mermaid embodying the Filipina beauty and the spirit of our islands. Good evening, Labradorians. This is your Angge Bulata, but tonight, do allow me to stand by the name. Ang kontiserang hinahangaan at pinapalakpakan sa gantong patimpala, Miss Lars Pacheco. Miss Lars Pacheco na nag-iiwan ng isang katagang, if you have it, show it. Dead pa sa mga inggit. And I thank you.
thank you very much to candidate number 10. Thank you very much, candidate number 2.
afterwards.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome your candidate number 8. candidate number 3. Your candidate number 4. Candidate number 5. Candidate number 6. Your candidate number 7. Candidate number 8. Candidate number 9. And lastly is your candidate number 10. To all our 10 lovely candidates, may I ask you to please turn your right now. Alright, so nakita na po natin yung kanilang poise and elegance. How about turn to your right once more? Okay, ako muna, di ba? Tama? Okay, kamusta? Kamusta ka, candidate number 1?
Well, it's a mixed emotion, like excited and a little bit nervous.
Okay, a little bit nervous, pero kailangan ka nang bumunot siguro. Okay? Okay. This is a hashtag question. Are you aware of this?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Hashtag. Paki-check ang mic kung gumagana.
Hello, Mic Tech.
Ayan, gumagana. This is your hashtag, candidate number 1. Bilis kilos serbisyong lubos.
Hashtag Bilis Kilos Servisyong Lubos. Well know, ladies and gentlemen, that we have a progressive municipality right now. And thank you for our beloved mayor for these wonderful new projects like a solar electric thing. And we all, Bilis Kilos Servisyong Lubos, kailangan po talaga ng mabilis na kilos for us to be able to have a rich and successful municipality. And that would be all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 1.
Thank you so much, Ate Girl.
Okay, here is your hashtag question. Pride celebration.
Okay, the hashtag that I picked is Pride Celebration. Tonight, the hashtag itself speak louder. We are celebrating Pride. Ngayong gabi, narito ho tayong lahat upang tunghayan kung gaano katalino, katalintado at kaganda ang mga miyembro ng LGBT community. This competition would not be possible without the help of our municipal mayor and our vice mayor and to our councilors. Thank you so much, especially to our president, Madam Bryson. Thank you so much for having an event like this, because this event is to serve an eye-opener to every person or to the fellow Labradorians that we, LGBT community, is not the jakes of society, but we are the asset of this community. Masantos Selabi.
Thank you very much, candidate number 2. Ako ngayong gabi. Okay. Are you ready with your hashtag?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, beautiful hashtag. Hashtag proud and loud.
Okay, thank you for this question. Proud and loud. I'm here tonight to show who I am, and pinagmamalaki ko kung anong meron kami ngayon because being an LGBT, pinabuklod-buklod kami para sa isang layunin. Thus we all thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 3. Oh, another beautiful hashtag. Hashtag love wins.
Love wins. Love wins starts when you fall in love with that person, appreciating, accepting the flaws and the imperfection of someone. Don't let anyone define what you feel for someone you love. And because I believe that love's conquered it all. Thank you.
Wow. Okay. All right. Your hashtag is gay life.
Okay, when we say gay life, ang unang pumapasok sa atin is mahirap maging bakla. Well, that's true. Because we hear a lot of discrimination. But we are standing in front of you to showcase our talent, that we can, no matter what you say, because we believe in ourselves. That's all. Thank you so much. Good evening.
Thank you. Yung nasa likod ko, sabi niya na-expose na yung kagandahan niya. Alright. Your hashtag is rainbow flag.
Okay, hashtag rainbow flag. Rainbow flag is a 7-color. Symbolize of life of LGBT. Mayroong masaya, mayroong malungkot, mayroong asul na lumiliwanag ng pag-asa. And rainbow flag is not just about LGBT flag. It's all about us. Straight man kayo or gay, as long as you have respect to each other. Yun lamang po. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 6. Okay, hashtag Pride Parade.
Okay, Pride Parade. So, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. So, at my work in Concentrics in Quezon City, yearly we are celebrating Pride Parade every August. So, this is a celebration of rainbow colors as LGBTQI+, for the straight person to see our worth, our beauty, our talent, and hoping that soon that all of you guys will accept us wholeheartedly. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Hashtag Mayor Akain.
Wow, that's very interesting hashtag. We know the fact that Mayor Akain are mayor. And alam natin, after 3 years ago, napagmasdan ko na tahimik ang Labrador. Walang buildings, walang progressive. Ngayon, nasa pamumuno niya, maraming buildings. May building 1, may building 2. Dahil alam natin na siya ay masipag at butihing mayor. Alam niya, mas inuuna pa niya ang sarili niya kaysa, mas inuuna pa niya ang kapakanan ng mamamayan kaysa sa sarili niya. And, sorry na.
Nanayos na! Nanayos na si candidate number 8. Continue.
Kaya naniniwala ko siya ang mayor ko because he is the best mayor that we had. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Well said. Candidate is diversity.
Wow, what a nice hashtag. Alright, since tonight is the diversity of beauty, we celebrate our diversity of beauty. Ang ibig sabihin, pagbuklod-buklod ng bawat isa, pagsama-sama ngayong gabi. I would like to rectify whatever other people thinking in our LGBTQI+ members that ganito lang kami. We are only LGBT, but they don't know our diversity. Pag kami pinagsama-sama at pinagbuklod-buklod, ang progreso ng ating bayan, makakatulong kami sa ating town proper, which is Labrador. Then, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to actually share to you what we have actually do on our town proper. June, we do have Pride Month. We are giving pre-haircut, pre-hair rebonding, pre-kilay, or whatsoever that we specialize in as an LGBT. So what we call diversity. And that will be all. Thank you. Tahakin natin ang tamang daan patungo sa tamang karoroonan. Kahit LGBT ka man, ipagmalaki mo ang importante, respeto ang nauuna. Dahil ang respeto, masigit pa sa pagmamahal ng iyong pamilya. Maraming salamat po. And I thank you.
Thank you very much too. Your hashtag is Nayariti Inclusivity. Hashtag inclusivity. Okay, means this is a pagkaisa-isa, pagbubuklod-buklod.
Thank you for wonderful hashtag. Ang pagkakaisa ay tulad nito. Ito ang isang example ng isang pagkakaisa. Tulad namin, hindi nga kami magkaka-friendship or magkakabarkada, pero nagkakaisa kami kasi kami ay membro ng LGBT community. And I thank you.
Thank you.
Let the bass kick.
Nagulat ng buksan ng pinto.
Let the bass kick.
Thank you very much, candidate.
Let the bass kick. Let the bass kick. Let the bass kick. Let the bass kick.
Nagulat nang buksan ang pinto.
Candidate number 7. Candidate number 8. Candidate number 9. And candidate number 10. Okay, candidate number 10, please go down on stage. Okay, so let's have... Ayan, nakita na po natin yung kanilang kaseksihan. Meron bang dark spot? Wala, makinis lahat. Okay, turn to your right again. Ayan, nakatalikod na po silang lahat sa atin. Different shapes, different colors, but united as one. And another turn to your right again. Alright. Wala bang dark spot? Okay. And back to your position. Alright. Okay. So, nakita na po natin yung kanilang mga kaseks. Minor Award for Miss SK Choice Award goes to candidate number 8. Okay, so once again, congratulations to candidate number 8. Oh, hello, hello. And it is Na and Mom Beverly Akai.
Yes! Yes!
Okay.
To be awarded by our Municipal Councilor, Daisy Nabwa and Sir Aldarico Nabwa, the honor of the Dayas Beautiful Resort located at San Gonzalo.
We have your candidate number 4.
Okay, yung Dayas Beautiful Award po natin ay makakatanggap po ng 6 months free entrance. Yan po ang sinabi ng may-ari ng ang Dayas Beautiful Resort na makakatanggap ka po ng 6 months free entrance.
For minor, Enriquez Choice Award goes to your candidate number 8 to be awarded by
our Municipal Councilor Daisy Nabwa and Sir Aldarico Nabwa. The owner of the Enriquez Award is Miss Charlene Enriquez, located at Lawis, Labrador, Pangasinan. Thank you, sir.
Miss Avon. To be awarded by Juby Nakono, the honor of Avon. Your candidate number 5. Congratulations, candidate number 5. To be awarded by Mom Joby Nakono. Gemma's Salon Choice Award is your candidate number 10. Rupas Catering Choice Award to be awarded by Ma'am Nicole Gamboa. Candidate number 1. Miss Boss Coffee Choice Award is to be awarded by our beloved former municipal councilor. We have Honorable George Binoya and Ma'am Nancy.
The honor of the Boss Coffee Award is Mr. George Binoya, located at Manaoag, Pangasinan.
Okay, so congratulations to candidate number 8. Again, to be awarded by our former municipal councilor, Honorable Jordan, Madam Nancy Akai. Our next minor award, our Mrs. Smile is to be awarded. Okay, I'm sorry for clarification. Miss Best Walk. Okay, to be awarded by Miss Seward Smith. Okay, congratulations to candidate number 10. Again, to be awarded by Mr. Stewart Smith and Miss Kate Garcia. Panalong-panalo si Miss Kate Garcia. Okay, again, it goes to once more to be awarded by your candidate number 9. Is your candidate, please stay on stage, sir. Okay, we have candidate number 3. Congratulations. Next award for Mrs. Smile is your candidate number 8. Congratulations to candidate number 8. Next minor award, our Miss Photogenic Award. To be awarded by our Vice President Rica Orate, Miss Mika Misna. Your candidate number 5. Next award for most popular candidate award by Fiona Lee and Stel Lopez. We have Candidate number 10. For Kalma Parma Sea Choice Award to be awarded by Ma'am Princess Ordua Waterworks Award to be awarded by Ma'am Fiona Lee and Ma'am Rika Orate. Congratulations! You're in candidate number. Your candidate number 6. Okay, so congratulations once again to our candidate and presently working as a marketing specialist and that conduct outreach program. Gonzalo, Labrador, Pangasinan. And presently products, services, and personal appearance. Her hobbies is doing makeup, reading, drawing. The best thing to be accepted is just to be yourself. Her focus in life is bahay na barang bahay. Number 2. Labrador, Pangasinan. Is huwag susuko sa anumang pagsubok. And her is the will. Her focus in life is self-empowerment and self-love. Again, ladies and gentlemen, she is your candidate number 4. Which is the MIS National Meat Inspection Service. It's all about inspecting the goods and quality and safe meat to eat. Her hobbies is singing and dancing. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, she is your candidate number 5. Major in Finance Management at Adobe College, Ligian, Pangasinan. Her motto in life is, you only live once. And her advocacy in life is, as a team leader. And finish her bachelor's degree in business management, major in marketing environment. Again, she is your candidate number 7. Her vital statistics is 38, 34, and 31. She is a bona fide resident at Barangay Bungalan, Labrador, Pangasinan. She is a presently SK chairperson and a graduating student with the degree of Bachelor of Science in Business Management, major in Financial Management. at the Adelphi College, Ligian, Pangasinan. She said that, as a public servant, I am the voice of the youth in my own barangay. Her hobbies and interest is playing volleyball, freelance makeup artist, and public servant. Her motto in life is being nice to people you hate. It's not being plastic, it is called respect and making yourself educated. Her advocacy in life is mental health awareness is a process of learning and sharing information to reduce stigma and improve understanding of mental health. Once again, she is your candidate number 8. Next in line is your candidate number 9. She is Miss Maricar Palma. Her height is 5'7". Her vital statistics is 36 and presently working as a call center agent, a senior supervisor, and her management at Lyceum Northwestern University. She said that as a senior supervisor on our company through education, public speaking, and mentorship. Her motto in life is make a promise to yourself that no matter what challenging that you do, she is a bona fide resident of Barangay Bulo, Labrador, Pangasinan. Her ambition is to become a licensed professional teacher. And she is number 4. And candidate number 5. Candidate number 6. Candidate number 7. Candidate number 8. Your candidate number 9. And lastly is your candidate number 10. Okay, so let's have the awarding ceremony for minor is. Please step forward. You are in candidate number 2. Gustong-gusto ko dito sa bayan ng Labrador. Buhay na buhay ang inyong mga diwa. Okay, next. You are in. Congratulations to candidate number 3. Mukhang puyat pa yata. Mukhang puyat pa yata si candidate number 3. Saan ka gumana, candidate number 3? Okay, so I will hand the microphone to Miss Mika Misna.
Okay po. Good evening sa ating lahat. So, pasensya po sa commotion na nangyari. So, we are fair and square po. With full honesty po is, na-miswrite lang po ang isang number. Pero sa lahat po ng candidates, willing po kami ipakita ang computer system tabulation po. We would like to apologize, sincerely apologize to everyone, to the visitors, to the judges, also to the municipal officials, to the municipal heads, and sponsors especially. We would like to apologize, nagkamali lang po ng pagkasulat. Okay po? So uulitin po namin ang isang, we are very willing to show you the tabulated scores po. Para fair and square po tayo, hindi po mag-proceed ang pageant nang may hindi natawag or may maling natawag. Tama po? Naintindahan po namin ang sitwasyon ngayon, pero we would like to sincerely apologize. Yun lamang po, salamat.
Another, okay? Ulitin po natin. Tama? Okay. So again, you are in to the top 5. Candidate number 3. I'm sorry, candidate. Okay, it's candidate number 2. Okay, so next is candidate number 5. You also in candidate number 8. You also in candidate number 9. Who do you think is the last to be called? Is it candidate number 3? Candidate number 1, 4, 5, 10, and 6. Tama? Okay. So, please join to the group. You are in candidate number 4. All right. So, congratulations to candidate number 2. What do you think? Louder, please. Candidate number 10. Also, we have the question is, what moment in your life would you pick to change the lives of others? I repeat once more the question. What moment in your life would you pick to change the lives of others? Again, once more. What moment in your life would you pick to change the lives of others?
Okay. At my 22 years existing in this world, I gain a lot of criticism, discrimination about my gender. So, if I'm going to pick one thing in my life, that would be being me, being true to myself, because it changes a lot of things in my life. Nagpakatotoo ako sa sarili ko, minahal ako, ng lubusan ng pamilya ko. Minahal ako ng mga taong nakapaligid sa akin. If I have given a chance, gusto kong maranasan yon ng mga kabataang miyembro ng LGBT community to change their life. Never ever, huwag niyong itatago ang sarili niyo sa isang closet. Because I firmly believe, ladies and gentlemen, that the best thing that you give to yourself is just to be true. Standing in front of you, well, ladies and gentlemen, a lot of the candidates are long hair, taking a lot of hormones, but look at me. I am the only short hair candidate standing here. Yes, I gain a lot of discrimination. Bago pa mag-start ang pageant na to, Sam says, ba't siya sasali? Eh, short hair siya. Ba't siya sasali? Eh, ang tigas-tigas niya. Ba't siya sasali? Eh, ang pangit-pangit niya. But look at me. I am changing the things that people see on me. Ngayon, papatunayan ko na may isang miyembro ng LGBT community na pinili ang kanyang sarili at magpakatotoo. At sa mga kabataang miyembro ng LGBT nanonood ngayon, there's nothing wrong of being who you are. Mahal ko kayo, mahal kayo ng pamilya nyo, at walang magbabago doon. Maraming salamat, Labrador.
Thank you very much for that wonderful acts of others.
Maybe my answer is not good for you, everyone, and you have your own answer. So I answer that direct to the point. Can you just give it to my question? What moment in your life would you pick to change the life of others? Okay, for me, I will never pick any other lives because I'm happy with myself right now. Because I do believe na kaya ko namang gawin kung ano ang kaya ko and kung ano ang magpapasaya sa akin. So, wala tayong what I mean is, hindi mo kailangang ihaling tulad ang sarili mo sa ibang tao para maging masaya ka. At bagkus maging inspirasyon ka sa bawat mamamayan na gumawa ng mabuti. Yun naman po, maraming salamat. I'm so sorry.
Life would you pick to change the lives of others?
Wow, that's a very timely question. So, the question that give it to me is, what moment in my life would I pick to change the lives of others? Ladies and gentlemen, reflecting of my journey in my life, I have a lot of failures. I reject and I denied. 2 years akong huminto sa pag-aaral. Mga kabatch ko, LPT teacher, manager sa magagandang kumpanya, at iba pa. Meron na silang magagandang trabaho. Ako, 4th year college, taking Bachelor of Science Business Management. And to change the lives of others, be brave and be believing to themselves. Yes, yan po ang ginawa ko sa sarili ko. Naniwala ako, maraming taong humila sa aking paibaba, but doesn't mean I'm less. Starting in front of you, believing, saying that success is no timeline. It's just for you to move on and create for more as long as you live. At para sa mga kabataan na rinito, magtiwala ka sa sarili mo. Huwag mong papakinggan ang mga negatibong naririnig mo dahil sarili mo lang ang matutulungan mo. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Yes, of others.
Thank you so much for that wonderful question. The question is, what moment in my life, in your life, would you pick to change the life of others? Ladies and gentlemen, for me, I'll choose one word, okay, to use to change life of others. Respect and good to be true to yourself. Because being good to be true and to be a respectful person in this world, iisa lang po ang ibig sabihin yan. ikaw po ay isang taong pwedeng ipagmalaki sa ating syudad or sa ating town in Labrador. I'm gonna get like an example. Our Mayor Akain, our beloved Mayor Akain and Vice Mayor. As I can see right now in our town, past 3 years, so many lot of changes here because he respects others, he loves others, other people here in our town. So, see guys, our town is very nice today at pwede nating ipagmalaki sa buong mundo. Our town is very nice. This is my town, Labrador. Thank you.
Well, the moment that I've, sorry. Okay. Being a trans or being a part of LGBT is very difficult, but it's really hard for me to come out when I was young. But I have this power of motivation to come out because the day when you started to be yourself, that is the best gift for your life, the best gift for yourself. And I would like to take this opportunity to change the life of others, especially to the younger generation, also a part of LGBT, because I want them to be true to themselves. I really want them to be true to themselves because no one can define you. No one can love you but you yourself. Because one step, or if I may add and I may conclude, big things starts from the small beginning. We should start in ourselves. We should start in our home. You cannot tell somebody what is black if you don't know what is white. Thank you so much.
Got the average of 90.2 will be awarded by Mr. Marlon Miranda, Miss Leia Ogaban, and Mr. Eric Pabo, with an average of 92.2%. Alright, so, sino kaya mag-uwi ng ating corona? Si candidate number 4? Mas malakas na pagsigaw kay candidate number 4. How about kay candidate number 8? Nagsanib puwersa ang barangay Bungalon. Okay, of course, nandito tayo sa hometown ni candidate number 4 sa kanyang barangay poblasyon. Okay, so, our Miss Queen of Universe is goes to... Naka-ready na ba yung video? Alright, is your candidate number 8! And our Queen of Labrador is your candidate number 4 to be awarded by our beloved Municipal Mayor Ernesto I. Akain. Our beloved, our Lingasna Labrador, Fiona Zoe Austria. Queen of Labrador, your candidate number 4 to be awarded by Mayor Honorable Ernesto I. Akain, our Vice Mayor, the Honorable Artemio Arenas, and Miss Dimgasna Labrador, Fiona Zoe, Austria. Once again, congratulations to Miss Queen Grand, candidate number 9. Miss Queen International, candidate number 5. Our Miss Queen World, candidate number 2. Our Queen of Universe, candidate number 8. And once again,